tongue. Nikki, is it good? Is that a good toy? What's Mr. Riri doing? You like it, Miss Nikki? You like it? Mr. Riri playing with his toys. I think my catnip's getting to him.
I would have to agree.
Alright, one final look at Nikki, see what she's doing. At least it's not her paws this time, right?